Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that promise to change your beauty game. If you've been struggling with uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about Guinot's Newhite Brightening Mask Kit. This kit promises to target, treat, and prevent uneven pigmentation, giving you a clearer, more radiant complexion. But does it live up to the hype? Stay tuned as we break it down. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of our honest, in-depth reviews. Now let's get into it. Guinot is a trusted name in skincare, known for its professional-grade formulations. This Newhite Brightening Mask Kit comes in a convenient 7-count pack, designed to address uneven pigmentation and promote a brighter complexion. It's formulated with ingredients that target pigmentation at its core, helping to visibly reduce dark spots and brighten dull skin. Each mask is soaked in the Newhite complex, which works to not only brighten the skin, but also prevent the formation of new dark spots over time. The scent is light and fresh, which makes the masking experience that much more enjoyable. Now, how did this mask hold up during real-world testing? I've been using these masks consistently over the past few weeks, applying one every couple of days as recommended. The mask itself is easy to use, with a soft, slightly thick texture that clings well to the skin without slipping off. When you first apply it, it feels cool and soothing, providing an instant sense of relaxation. I've used it both in the morning and at night, and it's suitable for both. I didn't feel greasy afterward, nor did it leave my skin feeling tight. Over the course of using this kit, I did notice a subtle improvement in my skin's overall brightness. While it didn't work overnight, after a few sessions, my skin tone seemed more even, and those stubborn dark spots were noticeably lighter. Of course, the results aren't as dramatic as professional treatments, but for a home treatment, I'm impressed. I'd say it's a great option if you're looking for a gentle way to brighten your skin without having to commit to costly spa treatments. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the mask is easy to use, feels soothing, and does help lighten dark spots over time. It's also great for those who want a targeted solution to pigmentation issues. On the flip side, the price point might be a concern for some, especially if you're looking for a quick fix. The results are gradual, and you'll need to commit to multiple uses to see a noticeable difference. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it depends on your budget and skincare goals. This kit is on the higher end for a brightening mask, but if you're looking for something that delivers on its promises without harsh chemicals or invasive procedures, it's worth considering. In comparison to other brightening masks, Guinot's Newhite stands out for its professional-grade ingredients, and it's definitely more luxurious than the drugstore options. However, there are more affordable alternatives that could offer similar results, though you might need to use them for a longer period to see the same effect. The build quality of the product is impressive, and I didn't have any issues with the packaging or the individual masks. They are sealed and hygienic, which is always a plus. I haven't had any issues with product degradation, and each mask stays fresh throughout the 7 uses. Before we continue, let me know, has this review been helpful? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews. And if you're already thinking of getting your hands on this kit, the link is in the comments. I didn't have any direct interaction with Guinot's customer support, but the brand is known for being responsive to inquiries and issues. That's always a good sign if you ever need assistance. As for alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are plenty of brightening masks out there that could work well for you. The Murad Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum, for example, is another great product if you're specifically targeting pigmentation and dark spots. While it's a serum, not a mask, it's worth exploring if you're looking for a more active solution that's also more affordable. To wrap things up, Guinot's Newhite Brightening Mask Kit does what it claims, but it's not a miracle worker. If you're looking for a gentle, effective way to brighten your complexion over time, this is a great option. However, it's not the quickest solution, and the price may not be justified for those on a tight budget. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more honest reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.